So this is how my table looks in between projects right now. So I'm sorry for the background, but it's gonna have to be a quick one. I'm crunched over time. So as you can tell, it was a fairy garden challenge. And at first it was Grandma said it would be a Dollar Tree one, but I live in Sweden. We have dollar store, no Dollar Trees. So she said you could use anything you have because she doesn't want us to spend more money than necessary. So this is a bit of what I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do right now. So as you can tell, this one is the one that I used last year, and she was out in the sun all summer, so she's a bit paler than her sisters because they didn't arrive when I wanted them to, and then I never used them. So they're all from Wish, and yes, they came with the wings detached, but you just pushed them in. And I had these little things last year too. And then I'm gonna use my newly painted tub and potpourri. I'm gonna hope that it comes up higher. So yes, it didn't come up as high, so I'm using that box that's from an old candle. I'm trying to make this a bit better. So this is my fairy garden indoor. And yes, I still have the heart fairy lights thing, because I mean, it's type of a fairy light, and my fairies wanted some bling and some light. And then I have these tiny little baby chicks, because it's Easter soon, and I thought they went very good with those tiny little fairy houses and that little car I have like everywhere. Yeah, so it's works a bit longer then. And well, green tablecloths, sorry for my finger being in the way. It also goes with St. Patrick's Day. So yeah, you know, use what you have. Yeah, hope you liked it. See you soon. Hej då!